You take the straw and you blow on it.
Like, oh!
What's up mga bay? It's PJ.
It's Sarah.
And I'm Flo.
And today we are out and about in the streets of Cebu because
We're going to be trying 3 different budget coffees today.
And mamili mi which one ang
Naka!
pinaka...
So, ang first coffee na atang i-try today is Don Macchiatos Iced Caramel Macchiato na famous here in Cebu for being 39 pesos only.
iced caramel macchiato. It looks like it. Like, it looks legit. Like Starbucks who? Ah,
Ano? Uy, yun. Wow.
Oh my God. Matilawan mo ang kape, matilawan mo ang caramel, matilawan sa mo ang milk.
I actually na-amaze lang ko na 39 pesos ni siya.
In fairness, this one is a woe for me. For 39 pesos, lami siya.
Same. It's a woe for me, sad kaya ako. Like, hapit na ko makatunga and pag-order ako niya kibay.
It's a woe for Flo kay Macchiatos.
Go. Ito nito sa itong next coffee. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So ang second coffee atong i-try today kay 38 coffee. So guys, ang sa inyong first impression sa atong second coffee?
Ako nabantayan is, iyang caramel is much darker. I feel like iyang caramel will be very much like a toffee.
Toffee.
Oo.
Like a dark.
No, iyang taste.
Taste.
Sige daw.
Sige, ato na i-taste.
Actually, nag-una-una kong sip kanina kay Marglami kayo siya. Wala ko ni Saba. Kanang
Chocolatey.
mas punchy jud ang coffee, ani. I'm at a loss for words. Coffee siya. Lami siya.
Yes.
Nasa yung chocolatey nga taste.
Bitaw. Mas kind of rich ang taste sa coffee niya.
Right.
Na siya dark mocha richness to it. Mga ko ma-taste niya.
Yeah. And to think this is 38 pesos. So 38 coffee is a woe for me.
It's a woe for me too.
Sige, ato na sa the next one. Bye! So guys, we are finally at our third coffee of the day. Third budget coffee. Kaya pa ba?
Ikabuhin ako.
Yes, I need a coffee.
It's very fitting. Timing kayo guys. Kaya itong third and final budget coffee nga itong i-try today is called Pick Up Coffee. The packaging, living. I love green.
Yeah, the branding is really, it's appetizing.
Oo.
The
Aesthetic na siya.
whole aesthetic makes it look
True.
appetizing.
Anyway, go. First sip.
It tastes very, I can taste the brew of the coffee when I drink it.
Okay, when you drink coffee, ganadyo ka makafeel
Maigo.
mo marag, ma-pick up dyan mo energy. Diba?
For me, sad kay, I like my coffee really on the, I wouldn't say bitter side, but that strong coffee taste. Like, I like it na maoy una na ko ma-taste versus the sweetness.
Ano siya katong coffee ko nga candy? I feel like, lami niya siya if like, nani siya candy version. Kana mo melt lang sa imong bakba.
And for 85 pesos, mamata dyan ka niya.
Truly.
Kape dyan siya.
Yeah.
Ganon. So pick up coffee, caramel latte is a woe for me.
It's a woe for me, sad.
It's a woe. It's a woe.
So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. If you guys want to try the coffees that we've featured in today's episode, go give them a try. They have a lot of branches, especially Don Macchiatos.
Yes, they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Pick Up Coffee also has a lot of branches all over Cebu, as well as 38 Coffee. So to conclude this episode of Pinaka Woe for me, PJ is a 38 Coffee.
Ang pinaka-woe for me is Pick Up Coffee.
Ang akong pinaka-woe out of 3 sad kay ang Pick Up Coffee.
And do let us know in the comment section down below which one ang pinaka-woe for you guys.
Yeah.
This has been PJ. You guys can follow me on all my socials. That's at IamPJU.
And it's been Sarah. You can follow me at It's Sarah DM.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm Flo, and you can follow me at 13c.flow. F-L-O.
Oh, sige, malibang na ko.
Malibang na.